Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Check this out. This is a custom fit grill set that we just had done for a customer. It's 925 sterling silver. It has a diamond dust finish with diamond cuts. So it gives it that nice, very dazzling shine to it. Look at that. Now this is a top and bottom set. These are available for just the top, just the bottom. It's up to you. You choose how many teeth you want. Check the link in the description. It takes you right to the product listing. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. It's a handmade piece. Diamond cuts, diamond dust, 925 sterling silver. Check us out, guys. blingcartel.com. Can't go wrong. Thousands of satisfied customers, guys. Thanks for watching. And as always, y'all have a good one.